What is that?
Beautiful. Very unusual.
Welcome to the sliding ice galaxy.
That sounds fun already. Whee! This is awesome.
I expected that reaction. Mars will always be Mars. That seems strange.
Guys?
The movement is spreading. The ice is not stopping.
Okay, now it's getting dangerous.
The problem is growing.
I have a solution.
Of course you do.
Take this.
You made more sliding ice.
Oops.
Much worse.
Okay, we have to do something about this.
Now I understand.
Please explain before the galaxy turns into one giant ice cube.
The ice keeps moving because there is almost no friction.
Friction?
Friction is a force that slows things down.
Like rubbing your hands together.
Exactly.
So the ice keeps sliding because nothing is slowing it down?
Exactly.
Then how do we stop it?
The dust?
Yes.
How does dust help?
When the ice slides through dust, friction increases.
The dust will slow the ice down.
Exactly.
Now that sounds useful.
Start guiding the ice towards the dusty region.
It worked!
Science helped us understand the problem.
And dust saved the day. Huh?
Look!
Welcome to the Sunflower Planet.
Whoa!
This may be the most beautiful planet I have ever seen.
Did that flower just move?
Huh?
The flowers are moving.
Walking flowers!
Wait for me!
What was that?
Huh?
That seems strange.
Huh? Guys? Huh?
The flowers are all going to the same place.
The rest of the planet is getting empty.
This is getting weird.
It feels colder over there.
The planet is becoming unbalanced.
I have a solution.
Of course you do.
I'll stop the light.
As usual, you made it worse.
Oops.
What do we do?
Now I understand.
Please explain.
The flowers are following the brightest light.
Following light?
Many plants respond to light.
The towers are creating giant bright spots.
Exactly, and all the flowers are following them.
So we can't move the flowers.
Exactly!
Then we move the light. If the light spreads out, the flowers should spread out too.
Exactly!
That might work.
Now that is a plan.
It's working.
Spread the light. Create more bright regions. Keep them balanced.
We just saved a planet from a flower invasion.
What is that?
That is our next adventure.
I hope we find aliens.
You wish.
We are heading toward the invisible color planet.
Invisible and colorful?
That makes 0 sense.
That's why we're going.
Whoa!
This place is beautiful.
I want to live here.
Look at all the colors.
That mountain just changed color.
It changed again.
How strange.
Where did the purple go?
Maybe it ran away.
Oh my, more colors are disappearing.
The whole planet is changing.
The colors are escaping. Come back, yellow! Ouch!
Mars is chasing colors.
I almost caught it.
This is getting worse.
Everything is turning boring.
I think I got the problem.
Really?
Tell us before all the colors disappear.
Colors are not escaping.
Then where are they going?
Objects show colors because they reflect some light.
Reflect?
They bounce certain colors back.
And absorb others.
Exactly.
My brain hurts.
Basically, the planet stopped reflecting some colors.
So the colors are hiding?
Something like that.
Can we bring them back?
Yes!
How?
We give the planet its colors back.
We paint it?
I love this plan.
Not with paint. We redirect colored light.
Let's do it!
Operation Save Colors begins.
Hurry! We did it! Home.
Guys? What is that?
What is that? That looks like dust.
A lot of dust.
Something feels wrong. Your rings are freezing! I am not able to shake these snow-like particles.
The rings are becoming heavier.
Small pieces are breaking off from your rings.
Oh no, my rings!
They're becoming brittle.
What does brittle mean?
falling apart.
I'm losing my rings. We have to stop this.
But how?
That dust is freezing the rings.
Freezing my rings?
When the rings become extremely cold, they become fragile.
So the rings are cracking because they're too cold?
Exactly!
Then, should we warm them up?
How do we warm giant rings in space?
Simple, with sunlight.
Yes, I can help.
But the sun is so far away.
So we redirect it.
Redirect sunlight?
Yes! You all reflect some sunlight already, right?
So we bounce more light towards Saturn?
Exactly!
Like giant mirrors.
I'm not shiny enough for this.
Too late now.
Hurry!
Everyone spread out carefully.
It's working.
It is definitely working.
Oh no, my rings!
We made it worse.
Everyone, stop! We are heating them too quickly.
So we warm them gently?
Exactly.
But how?
Smaller reflections.
Guys, the plan seems to be working.
Yippee!
Excellent work.
You saved Saturn's rings.
You are the best, AumSum.
Science helped us solve the problem. Well, my job here is done. Bye-bye.
Wait,
What's the matter, Saturn?
something feels wrong. My rings are starting to shake?
Your rings, they look thinner. Did that just disappear?
I'm losing them.
Wait, where are Saturn's rings going?
They're not breaking. They're disappearing.
That's not normal. I can't stop it. They're not breaking, they're changing. Changing into what? Into gas.
Gas? From ice?
Yes, the ice is turning directly into vapor.
But why would that happen?
The sunlight is heating them.
But they've always been in sunlight.
Yes, but something has changed. The particles are too exposed now. They're absorbing more energy.
So they're just disappearing?
Not disappearing, changing state. I'm losing them faster. We need to cool them down.
Cool space? How?
By reducing the energy they receive.
You mean block the sunlight?
Yes, even a little reduction can slow the change. But how do we do that? We position ourselves carefully.
You want us to block the light?
Partially, not fully. Just enough to reduce heating.
A moving shield.
Exactly.
Hurry!
Everyone, adjust your positions.
This is risky.
We don't have a choice.
slowing down.
The fading, it's weaker. Hold your positions.
They're coming back.
I can feel them again.
That was too close.
We almost lost them.
You understood the change.
Yeah, that actually worked.
Thank you. You are welcome. Now it's time for me to go. Son, are you okay?
I feel strange. Son, you look different today.
Something is pulling me.
Pulling you? That's not possible.
Nothing should be able to pull the sun like that.
Wait, why am I moving like this?
Our paths are changing.
I can't stop it.
Something out there is pulling the sun.
If the sun moves, we all move.
We're drifting away from our paths.
I can't stay stable.
Everything is going off balance.
We're losing heat.
If this keeps happening, we're finished.
What's happening?
The sun is being pulled away by something massive.
A stronger gravity is pulling it.
Then how do we stop it?
We are making it easier.
What do you mean?
You're all spreading out.
So?
The farther apart you are, the weaker your combined gravity becomes.
He's right.
I'm slipping away! We need to move closer.
Closer? That's dangerous.
Won't that make things worse?
No, together, your gravity becomes stronger.
Strong enough to fight that pull?
It's our only chance. I can't hold!
All planets, move inward. Tighten your orbits.
This is insane!
Just do it!
Hold it! Don't break formation! It's working!
We're safe.
That was close.
Way too close.
We almost lost everything.
You understood it before all of us.
Thank you. We didn't fight it alone. We worked together.